Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy King Joffy Joe again, and we're out here making another video. I think this is my first night video. I think this is my first night one, I think. Yep, we're recording. I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I got my boy Angel with me. Got him on, he got a Ryker 900. Got him on my buns, you see him in the rear view. He's on my buns, he stays tight, he knows. You stay close or you get left. You know what I'm saying? So he's always on my buns. He's learning my driving style, so he knows what I'm about to do. And he knows, or he knows I'm gonna go for it. If I see an opening, I'm gonna go. So yeah, I'm not gonna cross the other side of the lanes unless I got a lane crossing spot. But other than that, I'm gonna baby this Ryker. Why would I freaking pay 12 grand for a Ryker and then baby? Actually, like 11. I think I paid like 11.9 for it with all my accessories. Cause you know what I'm saying. I know people. I know people. Cops at the high school. Five-0. Oh shit. Slow it up, eh? Slow it up, eh? Oh, hey, got this? So the thing is, he rides like me. This is my boy. Hey, he's never ridden anything. He's never had a motorcycle. He's never ridden a motorcycle in his life. He's never ridden a quad. He's never ridden a dirt bike. I already said dirt bike. Quad, dirt bike, snowmobile. He's never ridden anything. He's never even driven a standard car. But he is opening up that Ryker there. So I got the Ryker, showed him, he loved it, he got one. I got the Rally, he has a regular 900, because he didn't want all the extra stuff that I had. You know what I'm saying? He said that the 900 was good for what he needed. Me, personally, like right now I have squeaky brakes, because I think it's because I went off-roading in the sand. But my brakes are squeaking like a babe. And he's like, I'm never going to go off-roading. I'm like, word. Lean with it, eh? Here you go, boy. High beams. If you dip and you can't see, use your high beams.
Huh?
When you can't see like that, use your high beams.
That's what I had on.
Oh, what?
I kept turning them on when I couldn't see.
Oh, word.
The corners will fuck you up.
Yeah.
Like on corners, I don't know if that's just like, I feel like I'm gonna just fuck the fuck off.
Word of mother. Which way? Oh, drift that whole thing right there, boy. He sees the difference when you're in the front. When he in the back, it's easy for him because he just follow where I go. You know what I'm saying? But when you're in the front, you gotta know where to go. And know how to ride that. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to ride that. You gotta know how to ride that. Woo, boy! Oh, I didn't know where the turn was at. Stop sign. Oh, fuck. My alarm started going off. Yeah. Who, me? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Riverdale Road right there. That way's Holyoke Mall. Go get a gas. Woo! That boy right there. That gas station closed.